is a sad story indeed. And
yes.
we got the reminder of those fires all over the Northwest outside right now.
You know, I just saw a picture, someone posted on my Facebook page. Someone in those fire lines in Washington actually had a note on their house that said, "Firefighters, it's just a building, stay safe out there."
There
And I
you
thought
go.
that was just really, really kind.
Yeah, very selfless.
Tough job. I'm glad they're mostly young in their 20s that do that job, because I don't think I could do that at my age.
A lot of work.
Digging those fire lines with
Yeah.
pickaxes and
Yeah.
climb up and down the hills.
Yeah. Let's take a look at our forecast for the fair. To switch gears, talk about something a little bit more pleasant. Looking forward to the Western Idaho Fair, and our big day is Friday. You guys will be out there, right? Meeting and
We
greeting.
will. Should be
Have
fun.
our public show up and meet and greet Brian and Kelsey.
And it's not just us. A lot of people, Brent and Natalie will be out there after us, and then several other people. I know Denny Hawkins will be out there at one point, so lots
Cool.
of people.
Bring me back maybe one of those chicken pitas and a Roy's milkshake.
It might be cold by the time Monday rolls around,
Yeah.
but okay.
Friday, we're looking at smoke and breezy conditions, smoke and cooler on Saturday with a high of 83, and then a good 10-degree jump. Looks like Saturday is perfect. Sunday might be just a tad hot in the afternoon. Monday also a tad on the warm side, but just go there in the morning when it's a little bit nicer. Smoky again, cooler and breezy on Friday, part of our weather headlines, and a weather pattern change coming our way by Sunday. More of a southwesterly flow, but unfortunately might transport smoke from Northern California wildfires rather than the ones here in the Pacific Northwest. Because of all the wildfire activity, red flag warnings across a good portion of Washington state, dipping down into central Oregon, also in Wyoming. In our area, no red flag warnings, but lots of air quality issues. Again, air quality in the orange category. That means bad air for sensitive groups, people with lung ailments and whatnot. Not a good idea to venture outside much. And also not a good idea for normal people to recreate when it's the smokiest, usually in the early morning hours. Here's our look right now, 63 degrees, winds at 7 miles per hour, humidity at 45%. Other temperatures across our region, Stanley is dipping down to 35. It's 44 in McCall, Baker City at 42, Ontario 46, and Mountain Home checking in with 61 degrees. Here's our almanac page, looking for a high of 90 today, 61 for our low, pretty close to normal on both counts. Here's our weather scenario. We have a stormy pattern back east, northwesterly jet across our area, transporting some of that wildfire smoke to our northwest. It's a super dry pattern, and that's why we're not going to see any big changes over the next few days until Friday, later in the day, as a cold front moves through. It's a dry cold front, won't contain any moisture, but it will pick up the winds, maybe venting some of the smoke. Smoky conditions across the valley. Daytime highs pretty close to 90 degrees down here in the valley for today, and then quite a bit cooler on Friday on into Saturday. Sunday, a bit warmer, and then cooler again on Wednesday. That's local weather.